It's this cool double bend thing he does. I've never really had a go at breaking down what he's doing, so I'm going to try and figure it out here, okay? Okay, let's have a go. Okay, I think that's about as close as I'm going to get it here. So what we've got, the 13th fret, it's probably raking into it because it rakes into notes with such vengeance and passion. Tone bend that 13th fret on the B, right? Then without hitting the string again, we're going to slide down to the 10th fret and bend it up a tone to the 12th. So you're kind of getting this melody but with the bends. And I think you went... So to wrap it up, we got 8 on the B, down to 9 on the G, up to 10 on the B after that, back to that 9 on the G, and a little hammer, 8 to 10 on the B, so slower. And once more. What a lick! And he's just doing that in passing. If you want more tasty Guthrie Govan licks, check out that video or that one there. Hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel. If you like what I'm doing here, please do check out patreon.com/JBFmusic. But take it easy everyone. Cheers.